We're jumping straight in. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Why Makeup a Difference? Because it's my brand. Like, we're just gonna try out new makeup, and some makeup I've already worn and tried. And this is a new synthetic wig I got from Style Icon as well. I love the fact that you can just pop it on and go. I'm gonna start off with the Essence Boosting Essence Vitamin C. I like that. Oh, flying, because it's vitamin C. Because my lips are so dry, I'm gonna be using the MUA Hydropeptide Juice. Like, I didn't even have water. I just straight ahead and had coffee. That's not right. New L'Oreal's Duo Serum. It's got collagen, hyaluronic acid. So this side has collagen, I think, and this side has got other stuff. I'll list everything for you guys because it smells good too. I'm just hoping it's actually, I don't know, because I don't have sensitive skin, and it just gives you this glow. I absolutely love it. It feels so luxurious on your skin. I try not to do too much skincare when I'm like, I just do the basic things that I really need for my skin. This one is the Miracle Cream from Makeup Revolution. I think it's like a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. So I think this is the newest one that actually came, and I like using this for the day and I like using this for the night. It's more thick, but if you have dry skin, definitely go for this, because when you wake up the next morning, your skin gonna be good. So I love the package. Kind of reminds me of Cha-Cha, but you know, we keep it moving. I don't mind. Like, it is what it is. I love Makeup Revolution, you guys. Ooh, love that. I feel so hydrated. We're trying the Lumi foundation from Maybelline. So obviously I love their 24-hour foundation wear, blah blah blah, because I had this one, was my holy grail. It literally is perfect if you have oily skin, and this was a skin tint I was obsessed with in summer, but now I've got a new favorite, which is basically the Lumi one, and it's called the Lumi Matte. You can't tell me that this foundation is not fire. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. If you've not got yourself hands on this, definitely go get it. So this is the one I'm going to try, which is the Stay Neutral Blush. I did try this one. This one is called Get Heated from Morphe, and it's more like a purple, but it like comes out pink. Let me just swatch it out for you. And when you put it on your skin, it does look a little bit more pinker than it is. It is to help it blend better. Oh yeah, that is not for my skin tone. It's looking ashy. I think this is for more fairy tones, so I'm definitely going to put this in my giveaway. Use the other one that I used before, and it's like a pink. So look at that, so stunning. It's just that one does not look good on my skin tone. KEM, baby. Listen, it's bigger than I thought it would be. I don't like the smell, but let's see if it performs as good as it is. You know, is it worth buying? The shade Ginger Snap. It's a tad bit yellow. I want to see how it blends out. So I chose this literally blindly. Okay, it is like full coverage. Too orange. Well, it's my fault because I didn't know which one to go for, so I definitely am gonna neutralize it. I just wanted to wear it on its own. So got a new sponge from Real Techniques. I'm still trying to figure out whether I actually really like this or I don't. So let's see how it blends. It is a good coverage concealer. I think it's not too thick, and that is just me. I chose the wrong color. I'm gonna top it off with an e.l.f. one. So I think it's definitely a good color. It's not too thick. Like the e.l.f. one is really thick. I can see the difference. Do you know what I need in my kit? I need more like bronzes and contour. I just noticed that I feel like I only have the curve case. The Morphe crowd pleaser. It's actually an eyeshadow, and stuff. I'm gonna use this. Some of that is so pretty, and I'm using that as a blush, which is this one here, and I'm literally just going a little light because it is a little like, it's like a darker pink color. Some of the blushes that I could have tried today is the Revolution Jelly blushes. These ones, they're actually like so good, guys, super cheap, and that I love this. But I wanted to try the Morphe one. I only wanted to try the other one, but these are so good. And I just say I no longer use pencils to do my brows. Honestly, I just love using this Build a Brow pen from Maybelline. There's this palette I got from Destiny Beauty, and it's called SAHARA. Hold on, stunning, absolutely stunning. The pigment is pigmenting, and I've not really like dipped in. The more I dip in, the crazy it is, and it's buttery soft, easy to blend. And I have not been sponsored to say this, but love this. I just feel like you can never go wrong with a brown eyeshadow on the lids, even if you're doing the bare minimum. It looks so good. Oh, it's a gold, and then it's like iridescently going. I don't know. Love that. I'm gonna also put it at the bottom because I like to leave things last minute, and I don't have the time today. I want to add a little bit of black, but I think I didn't add a little. I think I added a lot. Winging this part here, and then I'm gonna blend it out. You guys, eyeshadow is easy. All you have to do is learn your eye shape. Don't follow anyone. Like, follow, but look at your own eye shape and see where my eye shape looks like this. Because for me, simple, done, blend. Go back with, I only used 2 brushes as well. Go back with that brush that you used to put that brown. It's that easy. Tap some of this gold, and I'm actually just going to use my finger, and I'm just gonna put it at the top. I don't want it to be crazy, so I'm just gonna put it at the top like that. That's why I'm using my finger. This eyeshadow palette, love it. We might go back to it as a highlighter. We got our lashes on. There's this Morphe came out with this, and I'm like, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it today. It's better I show you rather than I tell you. Guys, listen. Pay close attention. I was gobsmacked on how amazing this is, and this is even too much. It changes color, but it's not even gold. It's a pink, and then it goes orange, and it's like, and this, and I'm only putting a little bit on my cheeks because it is super pigmented. You want to use your hands and literally be careful. Don't just go straight in there because it's stunning. I want a bit of a glow. We've got the pink one as well, which is like this, and it's also goes into like a so I have 2 setting sprays. One from Theatre, which is Fixer Long Lasting Blurring Effect Moist Finish. So this is going to give you that dewy glowy, and I like to look a little dewy these days, and I love this. I literally don't spray too much because you see that glow that you see Koreans have on their Korean dramas. It's pretty much they have that. I don't know if it's transfer proof. I haven't checked. So we got 2 mousses and also 2 glosses, lip glosses. I've always wanted to get my hands on this. So this is from their holiday collection from Morphe. And wifey looks like this, basically. It's more like, it's a nude, obviously. That's Kiss Goodbye. I think this is such a perfect nude for darker skin tones. No smell. That was so sloppy the way I did that. The way I put this, so sloppy. Wow, such a perfect nude. And I like it that it's not sticky. So you could just leave it like this and go about your business. But you know me, I can't speak. I'm a gloss girl, drip glass. Love that. Is unbothered. It's got like iridescent pinks and like, oh, I love that. Hot cocoa. Continuous mist. Voila. So there we go, guys. This is the final look. I managed to do it like within an hour. Can't believe that's actually happened. So we tried new products. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna have every product listed below. If it's not on the website, we probably link to TikTok shop if you don't have it. But I'm gonna put the name right next to it. The shade, is this banging or what? This is all drugstore friendly and whatnot. Very affordable, especially if you're trying to get some new makeup. Let me know your thoughts below, you guys. I absolutely love this look. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And remember, at 5K, we are doing a giveaway. So make sure you are commenting, you're liking, you're sharing, because I'm watching. Bye, guys.